Right next to the boat. Right next to the boat. Nice one too. Right next to the boat. Let's go. Get in the net. There we go. Right next to the boat, my boy. First fish on chatterbait. On Thunder Creek. And it popped right off. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Get away from the bank. Let's go. First fish on Thunder Cricket. Black and blue with the Sky King. Raised bug, I believe. What they call raised bug. Got an oak trouble car color. Let's go. Nice little pound and 3/4. Might be pushing 2 pounds. How fat he is. Appreciate that bite, my boy. Appreciate the bite. First fish of the day. Let's go. There we go. There we go. That's a nice thing. I'm not big yet. Maybe a little 2 pounder. Maybe a 3 pounder. Maybe a 5 pounder. I don't know till come up. Oh, I seen him a little bit. I seen him a little bit. I don't know, my boy. I don't know. 3 pound 3/4. Oh, get in that net, my boy. Let's go. Let's go. First fish on the drop shot. Couldn't tell me swap the hook though. You almost did. You almost did. You wanted that drop shot, didn't you, buddy? Look at that hook. Look at the hook head down his gullet. You wanted that drop shot. Came out pretty smooth. Skinny bass, but he got 2 pound about it, but he was skinny, so he probably about 1.5 pounds. Appreciate that bite though, buddy. Appreciate it. Yeah, once again, appreciate that bite, boy. Let's go. Little guys right there. In that boat, my boy. It's a bunch of little guys right there. A bunch of little bass right here. Fish, I ain't gonna complain about it. Let's go, fish. I ain't gonna try to keep counting with y'all. I ain't gonna try to keep counting today. Don't rip this all cooking this stuff. I should have kept the pack out. Let me see if I can still use it. That's a little better one. That's a little better bass right here. That's a little better bass right here, I think. I don't think it is. Maybe. Same size. They screwed up right there. I'm gonna throw a jig right there. They messing up the drop shot. I'm gonna throw a jig. I got to. He's on the right. I'll throw a jig right there. I'm gonna drag it through there. Appreciate that bite, though, my boy. You little with you're fishing. I appreciate it. I don't care. Big, small. I'm gonna still enjoy the moment of catching you. Let's see what's going on over here. First cast over here, I got a fish? Yep. First cast over here, I got a fish. He pop off. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, little fella. First cast over here. Let's go. Can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop? He hit himself in the face with the weight. Now, give my hook back. Hook right on top of the mouth. That's how I need you to be hooked, my guy. I need you. Damn, don't smack my camera, my boy. Bring that back though. Go tell your buddies about me. Go tell them I got a nice Strike King drop shot worm. Caught the dream shot for him. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. There we go. There we go. Finally got something that bite a jig, my boy. Let's go. Come on, get in the boat. Let's go. Finally got a fish that'll eat the jig, my boy. Let's go. Let's go. Don't spin around there, buddy. Let's go. Oh, jig popped out again. No, he right in the net. He's still hooked on. He's right in the net. Come on out the net. There we go. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that baby right there, my boy. You know, I say about 2 1/4, 2 1/2. Let's go though, my boy. Let's go. Y'all look at that bass right there. Nice one, jig. Now, let's go. Alright, y'all. I just wait to fish. It's 2:55, 2 1/2 on the dot. Let's go. We're gonna get back what we just caught it at. Let's go, my boy. I think second fish on jig, third fish on jig or something like that. Let's go though. Yeah, then my first time actually doing jigs, like for real. Like I throw swim jigs in here pretty hard. But like flipping jigs, skipping jigs, stuff like that. I ain't doing that much. Let go though, my boy. Yeah, second case. Let's go. Yep, sad right though. He hit the bait as soon as he hit the water. He ate as soon as he hit the water, my guy. Let's go. Get in the boat. Oh no! Ah, he popped off. Come on. Yeah, the braid is on the mouth. There we go. Oh, he came off. Popped off. Hopefully he missed my worm. There we go. Oh, yes sir. Oh, never mind. But they small, but they is killing it, bro. I'm killing them right now, bro. Let's go. Get in the boat, little guy. Let's go. I'm killing right now, bro. They small, but I'm killing them. Let's go, man. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, man. Strike King Thunder Creek strikes again. Let's go. Got a nice 2 3/4. A nice 2 3/4, man. Let's go. I'm Strike King Thunder Creek, a little way there in top of the mouth. He won't go nowhere. Let's go, man. We're gonna get a weight on this fish. Okay, this is a nice one. The biggest fish we got right now is 255. So let's see if this fish gonna beat it. $262. Let's go. Let's go. Second biggest fish, but it took first place. $262. Let's go, man. Let's go.
They looked at me like,
God damn, what the hell? Hold on, I got a fish, hold on. Oh, find out, little boy.
Got you one?
I got one. On the old drop shot. Oh.
Is that a good one?
A little pound and a quarter.
Hey, listen. This is a solid turd foundation member right there.
Yeah, I would kill him on the drop shot.
Do what now?
So I would kill him today on the drop shot.
Yeah. My ADHD took me a minute to decipher what you said.
I know what you mean. My shit was doing the same thing.
But no, man, the manager came back up there like, we don't have enough change to give you the change for this 20. They didn't have enough money in the restaurant to